NULITE New Energy, Guangzhou Company Limited, located at Guangzhou City, is in strong strategic cooperation with one of the large modern Shin height pump, water tank, and fan coil unit manufacturer, which provides over 100,000 units production ability each year. We have developed mature, stable, and high-efficient heat pump technology and dedicated in CO2, R290, R32, R410A, R134A low ambient, -30 degrees for heating EVID, Sequel heat pump series. Photovoltaic direct-driven inverter heat pump series, spa pool heat pump series, all-in-one heat pump, water heater series, geothermal heat pump series, HVAC heat pump series, commercial hot water heat pump series, fan coil units, water tanks, photovoltaic system, and related energy-saving products, is dedicated to supply super-efficient, energy-saving, and environment-friendly solutions for household and commercial heating, cooling, and domestic hot water applications worldwide. We have professional and innovative R&D technical team for engineering, inspection, and after-sales, and certified in conformity with CE, ERP, UKCA International Electrical Safety and Energy Efficiency Certificate under EU standard. Our cooperated partner is with ISO 9001 High Quality Management System. We provide OEM, ODM services for our distributing partners all over the world. Now NULITE brand energy-saving products has been exported to more than 100 countries. NULITE New Energy Heat Pump, one step ahead of comfort life.